Hi everyone, welcome to your hip hop tutorial. My name is Mel and you'll be learning 3 hip hop dance moves today. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to this channel. At the end of the video, we're going to combine these 3 movements and we're going to drill it 5 times in a row. All right, let me show you the 3 moves with music first and then we're going to do the breakdown. The first step we're going to do is a slide 3-tap sequence, and we're going to do it on both sides, to the right and to the left. And it looks like this. Slide 3 taps, other side, slide 3 taps. So for this, you're going to slide your foot and step at the same time. So as I step to my right, I slide my left. Step and slide. The same foot that slides, you're going to tap 3 times. Tap, tap, tap. You're going to do the same thing going to the left. Step left, slide right, and tap it 3 times. Tap, tap, tap. Okay, so let's do that again, only focusing on the legs. Slide 3 taps. Going to the right side, we're going to go slide 3 taps. Going to the left, slide 3 taps. Notice how the foot that I tap, that's the same foot that I initiate when I transition on the other side. Right, 3 taps. This foot goes to the left, 3 taps. All right, so with hip hop grooves, it's not just steps that we're doing, but it involves our entire body. So now we're gonna apply the rock in our torso to complete the package of doing hip hop grooves. So with a lot of hip hop grooves, there's this rock aspect, whether the rock is going up or the rock is going down. For this, we're gonna rock up. So we're going rocking up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's always up. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now with our feet, we're gonna step 1, and every time we tap, we go up, up, up. So notice every time we step, the rock goes up. As we step down, the rock goes up. And as our knee bends, our torso goes down. Yeah? So we're going slide, 1, 2, 3 taps, slide, 1, 2, 3 taps. Let's do it again. Step, 2, 3 taps. The next sequence we're going to do is take a 2-step and travel it back. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 2-step is a very basic ABC hip hop dance groove for all these hip hop dance steps that you'll be learning and experiencing in the culture. So with the 2-step breakdown, you're stepping to the side. So you're going, for us, we're going right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. Same thing as with the other step, we're gonna add the torso going up, 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 up. Now put it together, no traveling yet. You're going 2-step, 2-step, 2-step. Again, we're stepping to the right, left, then left, right, right, then left, left, right. Okay? So now we're going to do it traveling back. And when we travel back, there's a slight diagonal when you step back. So if we're normal walking backwards, we go straight back. But for this particular step, we step in a slight diagonal every time we step back. So again, when you're stepping, try not to do this for now, although there's nothing wrong with that step. That's just a different variation. For this particular sequence, we're actually keeping our torso in different diagonals for the step. So taking the travel step back, no torso yet, just stepping with the foot. You're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And to see this length that I'm stepping when I go back, let me show you a profile. So when I go back, I'm not stepping too far back like this, or I'm not stepping too low. I'm doing what feels comfortable, and then it actually depends on the space that you have when you're in a social setting. So for now, I'm just going to take a standard like hip width step when I go to the back. 1, 2, just a normal hip width step. No rock, just a step back so you can see. Okay, now let's try it with the torso. And actually, let's try it one time so you could see profile style so you can see what that torso and step looks like. And then we'll face it to the front. So doing the 2-step, traveling up stage or traveling back. 6, right foot first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now try it facing front. Again, torso going up, 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 or down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, you can invite your arms and do other fun things. You don't have to keep it stiff. And as you continue to practice this over time, there's no wrong or right answer of what happens with your arms. You'll continue to discover what feels good to you. So for now, I'm just going to do a cross and open, and you can practice that with me. 5, 6, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The final sequence we're going to do is a cross step. So you're going to cross your leg and open out. Okay, this is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the breakdown is very similar to a 2-step. So notice how we double dip, right? So we're not going 1, 2, 1, 2. We're not always alternating. We're doing an extra now, again, again. So we're always doing a little double dip step. For this, we're going to cross and then open. Cross in front, open out. So starting with our right leg, you're going to cross and then you're going to open the left. The step that opens, you're going to now cross. Cross and then open. Here we open, now cross, open. Let's do that one more time. The leg that's out, you're going to cross and then open. Okay? Let's do that one more time, a little bit faster. So same thing, cross, open. The leg that's open, you cross, then open. 5, 6. Here we go. Cross, open, cross, open, cross in front, open, cross in front, open. Same thing, and it'll always be to the end, adding a rock practice into that step. So without the rock, just so you can kind of see, it looks like this. And say there's nothing wrong with dancing upright, but when you want to have that hip hop groove, the hip hop feeling, and the hip hop vibe, there's always a bounce and a rock involved in the step. So you want to just graduate yourself to involve those two elements to the step. So here we go. Same thing. So now it's exactly like the 2-step, how we do the rock up every time we step. But the only difference is that we're crossing, then open, cross, then open. Let's try it slow. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Notice every time I step, my torso goes up. Step, step, step. So every time my foot touches the ground, my torso goes up. A little bit faster. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can add your little tapatio arms if you want to. So now let's put these 3 steps together, starting with the slide 3 taps, 2-step travel back, and then the cross step. We're going to do it 2 times with counts. The second time, it's going to go a little bit faster with the counts. 5, 6, right foot first, slide 3, taps. Again, slide 3, take it back. 2-step travel back. 5, 6, 7. Now cross, cross, open, cross, open, cross, open, cross, open. Now try it again a little bit faster this tempo. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross, cross, open, cross, open, cross, open, cross, open. All right, we're gonna go 5 times in a row, nonstop, and we're gonna do them back to back. So in other words, after we go 5, 6, 7, 8, we're gonna slide right away. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, 5 times in a row, and this time you can either play with arms or you could just focus on the feet. Whatever it is, this will always be available for you to drill. All right, let's go, 5 times. We hope you enjoyed this video. We got other videos just like this on our channel, and we also have a free program just for you so you can practice at home. It's in the description box below.